Sa Action Sports, mainit ang pagsalubong kay Manny Pacquiao sa Grand Arrival Ceremonies sa MGM Grand Las Vegas. Ang isa sa kanyang taga-suporta may bit-bit pang campaign poster ni Pacman. Mula Las Vegas, Nevada, umaaksyon si Lynn Olavario.
Naunang dumating sa MGM Grand Las Vegas na si Desert Storm Timothy Bradley. Mataas ang kumpiyansa ni Bradley na siya ang mananaig sa laban nila ni Manny Pacquiao.
I feel that I have an edge going into this fight because I have the analyzation from Teddy Atlas, my trainer, and I have the fundamentals now to go ahead and get the job done Saturday night.
Ito na ang ikatlong pagtatapat ni Pacquiao at Bradley. Panalo si Bradley noong 2012 habang nakabawi si Pacman noong 2014. Ayon kay Bradley, inihahalin tulad ng kanyang trainer na si Teddy Atlas ang trilogy sa pagsakay sa Ferris wheel.
Then the third time you get on there, it's like, I know what this is about. What exactly what that Ferris wheel is going to do, you understand? So I feel right now, I know exactly what Pacquiao is going to do. I know Pacquiao. I do.
Ang mga fans naman ni Pacman matyagang nag-abang.
Hanggat mamatay, basta Pacquiao, hanggat mag-retire.
I just want to see a good fight. I want him to come out, you know.
Ang iba, may bit-bit pang campaign poster. Makalipas ang halos isang oras, dumating ang 8th Division World Boxing Champ.
Talagang masaya ako because of the people na nandito ngayon na hindi ko in-expect na ganito karami ang sasalubong sa akin.
Paniguro ni Manny, magiging maaksyon ang laban sa linggo.
Gagawin natin lahat ng ating makakaya para mapadali ang laban.
Diskumpiyado naman si Coach Freddie Roach sa sinasabing bagong Bradley sa ilalim ng trainer nitong si Atlas.
Teddy sucks. No, give me a break.
Alright, thank you.
Who's he ever trained?
Hindi rin siya kumbinsido sa Ferris wheel analogy.
He said Manny is like a Ferris wheel. And he gets easier every time you go on the Ferris wheel. Ferris wheels were made for 4-year-olds, okay? This is a man's sport. We will knock him out.
Mula Las Vegas, Nevada, umaaksyon. Lynn Olavario, News 5.
Be sure to come back. Use 5 everywhere. Copyright 2016.